Wiley X eyewear was born on the battlefield over 3 decades ago and quickly developed a reputation for reliability and dependability. Today, we're taking a behind-the-scenes tour with Wiley X lab technician Brian Johnson and looking at some of the tests that have made this reputation possible and continue to define the Wiley X brand. This is Wiley X Labs.
Hi, welcome to Wiley X. I'm Brian Johnson. Today we're going to be taking you through some of the rigorous tests that go into safety eyewear and for us to be able to qualify our Wiley X product to meet the highest of safety standards. This is our high mass, penetration, and drop ball test. You're going to have 3 different projectiles: high mass, penetration, drop ball. They're all going to drop from 50 inches above the head form. You have your high mass, just slide right off the lens. You have your penetration on that side, and a drop ball. Over here we have 2 military tests. We have a horizontal flammability test and a vertical flammability test. You have a pilot flame that ignites. You'll put your sample over the front of it. You're going to be looking for a variety of results: burn rate, drip. For textiles, we're going to be looking for flame retardant to resist the flame and extinguish itself. Over here, we have an ignition test, which is one of the more basic tests that we have. This rod right here heats up to 1200 degrees Fahrenheit. It will then be placed on top of the lens for 5 seconds. It's going to melt the lens. All you're looking for is 0 ignition. This apparatus right here is our linear Abraser. We use a specially standardized eraser that we put on the probe. This probe is going to be dropped on top of the surface of your lens, and this arm is going to go back and forth 20 times. What it's going to do is it's going to scratch the surface of your lens and the hard coat, and it's going to tell you how much haze you can gain on your lens before it fails. This is our ASTM high velocity impact machine to test our Youth Force sports line. We shoot a variety of projectiles out of a variety of barrels. Right here is our ballistic machine. We have 3 barrels that encompass this machine, which shoot 3 different projectiles. An ANSI steel ball, 22 caliber fragment. And a 15 caliber fragment, your ANSI steel ball is going to come out your first barrel. It's going to travel at 150 feet to 160 feet per second. Your 15 caliber fragment is going to come out of your second barrel. It's going to travel from 640 to 660 feet per second. And your 22 caliber is going to travel from 550 to 560 feet per second. To give you an example of what it does to these lenses, is this was shot with a 15 caliber twice in virtually the same spot. It received the impact, it absorbed the energy, and when you feel on the back side of the lens, it's as smooth as the rest of the lens with 0 penetration. Thank you guys so much for coming on the Wiley X Labs tour today. Please feel free to visit wileyx.com. And again, stay safe out there.